We need a little yarn, scissor and hook size number 10. So let's begin with the slip knot. Make 6 chains. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Done. Then join this by slip stitch to make a ring. Just like I am doing, you can see I am securing the extra edge of my yarn. Done. Then we need to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now I am gonna make a single crochet into the ring so that we will get our first petal of the flower. Like this, we have just made the first petal. Now I am going to make again chain 12 for the second petal, just I have done before in the first petal. A single crochet into the ring and the second petal is done. To get more petals, repeat this process. The third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth, and our beautiful flower is ready. Thanks for watching.